What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally dropping the Forester. So we're actually going to do this drop springs first. Fortune autos at this time are a little bit out of our budget, but we went with RSRs. So I think this is a good alternative. These things are not really that expensive, but we're going to slap them on the Forester and see if we can lower it a little bit. Alright, it's already on the lift. We're going to have to get the stuff out of the back to get to the back coilovers. But I'm going to take it up and then take the wheels off. Before you take these bolts out, they are alignment, so I usually mark them on their little tabs. And you will need alignment after this too, because you're lowering the car and it also will change its alignment. But this will get you good enough to drive to your local alignment shop. Alright, and it's just the top bolt. The bottom bolt is not a camber bolt. And then you're going to do that to the back too, and I'll show you that when we get back there. Look, you can see it good in the picture. Alright, you're just going to undo this with a flathead, or maybe you can get it with your hand. But there's a brake line on the other side. That we're going to undo to 12 millimeter. So undo the brake line on this side, and then let's see if I can get this. Let me grab a flathead. And then it pops loose. And then if you need a little bit more room, you can unbolt that, but it shouldn't drop down far enough when you pull this out to worry with it. Alright guys, just back those two off, and then we're gonna let it back down. There's 3 up top, and we'll show you those, and then we can drop that out.
That could be a hand model.
Alright, this is the 3 bolts on the top, which my wife is going to back out for us. And this is the other side, guys. got this side out. And this right here is what we're gonna end up changing. What you have to do is take this off. There's a little nut underneath that, and you're gonna have to use spring compressors. All right, there's that bolt right there, and then all right, until you get the back strut out, remove this bolt, and this bolt, and you have to pull this out of the way as you run this bolt out. It almost looks like it can't be done, but it can. It'll be very tight, and you just have to run it out as you lift up on the hub. All right, and there's only 2 bolts in the back on each side. You just have to remove these panels that are in here, trying to get to your spare tire. But we're gonna get those taken out, and then we'll show you when we get them out.
And you tightened all these ones?
Yeah.
Did it lower it at all? A little bit.
Son, we should get some bigger. And it'll lower a little bit more once it rolls back.
How's yeah, that was awesome.
Hello. Alright, let me wash my hands.
Okay.
Alright. Looks like it's lowered it a pretty good bit in the front. And a pretty good bit in the back. I think once we roll it off the lift, it'll level out a little bit more, but it looks good. Got everything tightened up. All right, we just finished it up. Got it backed out where you can see it. Looks really good. I think we're going to end up going with a bigger tire to fill some of the gap, but guys, we ended up putting these lights in too. I didn't actually make a video on that, but we got those lights in. I don't know if we updated them, blacked out the mirrors, and she blacked out the trim. So I think it looks really good. But yeah, it definitely has a nice stance now. And what we're going to do is drive it for a while, and then I'll let you know how the springs ride and drive, and I'll put a link in the description to what springs we used. And I'll probably go ahead and list all the modifications too, so if y'all have any questions. Alright guys, that was the install on the RSR Lowering Springs for your 2014 to 2018 Subaru Forester XT. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. We'll get to them as fast as we can. Don't forget to hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe, guys. We're going to be doing a lot more to the XT, and Betty White's got some stuff coming up, and we got some stuff coming up for the GTR. So take it easy. Peace. Be safe.